Hey loves, it's your girl MissRessaT. I don't want this to fit big. It's not cute. Hey loves, it's your girl MissRessaT, and I'm back with another video. Thank you so much for clicking on this. I truly appreciate it. What's up to all my old loves? Y'all know I appreciate y'all so much. Thank you for coming back. Hey to all my new subbies. If you have not subscribed yet, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. Also, make sure you guys all thumbs up this video. Go ahead and do it right now. Okay, just do it. I mean, just do it. And also, make sure you guys leave me a comment. I would love to talk to you guys, especially if you're new. Hit me a comment down below so we can start some dialogue, because I do comment back to everybody, okay? And turn on your post notifications so you know when I post a video. You do get a video from me once a week. It either be fashion, beauty, natural hair, hauls, favorites, weight loss journey, anything on that scale, okay? So I talk too much, so we're going to go ahead and get started. Please ignore my hairstyle, you guys. I'm in between protective styles. If you watch some of my natural hair videos, you know that I am on a natural hair regrowth of my edges journey. I'm trying to regrow my edges, and then I'm also protective styling this year, but I'm in between protective styles, and I had to get a video out for you guys. So this is how I'm wrecking my hair until I can get it done. So yeah, and don't worry, the 1 month update for where my edges are at is coming, okay? I just didn't feel like undoing these today, so that's why that's not the video you're seeing this week. Moving into Empty, you guys. You guys know I like to do all different genres. Is genres the right word? I don't know. I like to do all kind of different empties, you know, from makeup to drugs, medicine, you guys, to skincare, all that great stuff. So yeah, let's get started with hair, because that's what I see first. So first, this is my babe. I do not need to talk about this long. This is the Cream of Nature Mango and Shea Butter Ultra Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner for Dehydrated Hair. All that to say that this is awesome.com. Get you some. Get your life. Get your life. This smells so good, and it absolutely works. And I called myself already repurchasing this, y'all. Repurchased a big one, and it turns out I bought the conditioner, not the leave-in conditioner. So yeah, still need to go replace that, because that is definitely being replaced. Like, there's no question about it. Next, I have from Alpha G Pro Vitamin Leave-In Conditioner. This right here, I like this product. I don't know if I'll be repurchasing this, because I don't too much care for liquid leave-ins, and there is another one from Black Oris that I actually like more, so I think that's the one that I'll be repurchasing. But I do like to have this, especially when I do the whole Alpha G thing. When I do a protein treatment, I like to use their protein treatment, their balancing treatment, and then their leave-in. I just like to use it as a system, so this is why I had it. But it was great. I don't think it was like anything special about it. I just felt in my heart that it worked better with the system, and it was doing something in protecting my hair when I used it with the system, okay? Let's see, any more hair products. We have from Tropical Isles Living, Jamaican Black Castor Oil. Bay, this is definitely part of my regrowing my edges stage, and I have already repurchased this, a brand new bottle, so yeah. Also from hair, I have this. This is Clean Freak Refreshing Dry Shampoo. The brand is Not Your Mother's. Not Your Mother's Clean Freak Refreshing Dry Shampoo. This is not empty, you guys. This is a no. This is a no for me. I got this actually as like a, what do you call it? Like a promo thing for Influencer. Influencer is a place where anybody who has social media following can sign up, and they can get free products. I always get great stuff from them. I love Influencer. This was not one. This dry shampoo was not for me. I would love to know one that is for me and for my natural hair, but this made my scalp go crazy, you guys. Like, literally my scalp just went retard. And I don't have scalp issues. I don't have dandruff. I don't have like flaky scalp. I don't get those things. Like, my scalp was on fire. I literally just put my head under the sink and rinsed that bad boy out. It was no joke. So that's not for me. Let's see if there's any more hair. Guys, I keep all my stuff in like this bag, breast cancer bag. So it's not really separated. I think that's all for hair. So I'm going to move on to beauty. So the first thing I grab here, you cannot tell what the title is anymore, but this is e.l.f. This is their makeup mist and set spray. This is the same one that I repurchased. No, I repurchased the matte magic mist and set. So I love this one to just spray on my face before I put my setting spray. Because it really just takes the cakiness off. And honestly, this one does the same thing. I don't see any difference between the two. I feel like matte, it doesn't really make my face matte. I like to put this on before I put my final setting spray on. So technically I did repurchase this, and I will continue to repurchase either one of them because I just love it. Cause like I said, it just gives you a fresh face, and even if you don't have on makeup, if you just want to refresh your face, it's really good, and it's a great price. It's from e.l.f. Oh, and then I find another hair product. Okay. This hair product right here is Ambro Pro Style. Y'all know what this is. Y'all know this black gel, okay? I've had this for years. When I tell you for years, this is so expired. Like, it's so beyond its expiration date, but I finally finished it. It's like still a little bit in there, but it's so dead. And I only use this like for my edges because see, my edges are not here. Eco Styler gel, all these little edge control. No, you gotta pull out the black gel, okay, from my edges. So finally finished that out. Now back to beauty. We have another spray. This is the NYX matte finish long lasting setting spray. I'm mad y'all hyped me up on this. I'm so mad at YouTube for hyping me up on this spray. And I went across America finding this spray because it's not sold at all anywhere within a 30 miles from me. And I went all across America to get this, and this sucked. I don't know what else to say. This sucked. It was not mad at all. Like, it was just like the e.l.f. ones. Like, it just took the cakiness away. And I guess I'm like, well, okay, that's not fair because I'm not mad at the e.l.f. one, this one for not being mad, but I'm kind of expecting more from NYX. I don't know. I think it's y'all hype me up, okay? That's why I'm more upset about that one. So, anyways, moving on. This is from LA Pro Conceal. Their concealer. This is in the color Toffee. Yes, this is Fawn. I finally finished this Fawn. It took me forever to finish this because I think Fawn is a little too light for me. Toffee is my preferred lighter shade. And I bought this one so long ago when I first got it, and I thought Fawn was my highlighting color. But I can work with Fawn. I can definitely pull off Fawn, but it has to be like the appropriate time because it is a bright highlighter for me. Like I said, I prefer Toffee for my skin tone. But yeah, I cut the bottom off mine because I want all of my product, y'all. So that's a little trick. I do that for all my Pro Conceals. Well, any concealer that's like that. And this is another one. This is Dark Cocoa, and this is my shade color. This is my concealer color. Absolutely love this. I've already repurchased this in my color. This bad boy, and it may have been in the last Empties, but I took it out of the basket, and Lord, I had this thing upside down, y'all. I scraped the hell out of this. I don't know who in my hometown, like, I don't know who y'all are, but stop buying this. I'm so freaking tired of y'all. Like, I cannot find this in this store in T-Wear. This is CoverGirl Queen 3-in-1 Flawless. If you've been following me, this is nothing new, y'all. This is my staple foundation. I have a Amazon link down below that keeps all my favorites in there. This stays in there, you guys. This right here is my sweat. Okay. I threw myself off. Okay, all this is 3-in-1. All Day Flawless Foundation is basically foundation, sunscreen. What's the three things? I don't know. This is bomb. I love this because it does have sunscreen in it. It does not give me a white cast. This color, True Ebony, is my color. Like, it is my color. Y'all have it on today. Please sit here and try to tell me my foundation don't look good. Y'all, I love this foundation. It is flawless. It never does me wrong, and I cannot find this. Walgreens, CVS, Walmart, True Ebony is always sold out. I went to go buy it on Amazon because that's how much I freaking wanted it, and it's only an add-on So I have to spend $25 before I can add it on. So I keep buying little things and I haven't had a chance to spend $25. But when I do, I am repurchasing that, even though I don't need it, because I bought so many foundations within this past year that I have not finished. But I have to have that. Like, that's just bae. Okay, I talked too long about that. Moving on. CoverGirl Soul Lashy Blast Pro Mascara. I actually got this. This was another one I got from Influencer. I really did like this, to be honest. The brush is very unique here. Let's see me wipe some of that off. Let's see if it'll focus on the brush and not my face. No. It's like, what are you doing? You're doing too much. Okay. Well, if you can't tell, it has like this ball on the end with spikes. And that's my favorite part of this brush, because I think the bristles are pretty, I mean, they're different. They're curved and they go from big to small. But what the part that I really like was the ball on the end. Of course, I got that on me because it was great. We're grabbing these little hairs here in the front. I really like that. Will I repurchase this? I don't know. Like, if I come across a coupon, I probably will repurchase this, because I really like the ball, because my bottom lashes are very small and I do not like lashes. I haven't got into the lashes world yet. I'm sorry. So, but that was a great product. I would recommend it. So as far as makeup, I think that's it. I do have this sponge in here. I don't even remember where I got this from, but this sponge, like, I wet it, and it cracked up on me and stuff. But I don't remember where I got it from, so I'm sorry. I can't go into detail with that. So another beauty product here are these right here, you guys. These are from Global Beauty Care. They're cleansing nose strips in charcoal. Removes blackheads, unclogs pores, works in 10 minutes. This is bomb. I got this. All right, y'all. The camera cut off on me, so I don't know where we was at on this. Just know that these are for Dollar Tree. These are freaking awesome. I actually did see a name brand version when I was in the store. I think I was in Walmart the other day, and there was like Bior by Bior, and I like Bior products, but I didn't pick them up because I was like, if I can find these again, then I'm going to get these from Dollar Tree. They're only $3. I did not check to see how much was in the Bior package. And I believe those were around like $5. Dang, I should have checked that. But these worked very good. Very good. Very good. So, everything left I have, you guys. Well, this is beauty. This is Witch Hazel. This is also a Dollar Tree product. I've never saw the Witch Hazel before. Okay, apparently there's a little bit still left in here. But I use Witch Hazel as a toner for my skin. Part of my skincare routine. This is actually not technically empty. I just poured this into my other bottle. But I threw it in the empties because, I mean, the bottle itself is empty. But this is what I use to apply my toner. It goes like this and it presses down. This is also from Dollar Tree. Of course, I got it in my favorite color, purple. And I think that's an awesome product. But yeah, I just started using this. This is Witch Hazel. Okay, we're winding down, you guys. The rest of my stuff is like really random. Y'all know how I do. I have some Mod Podge. This, I just wanted to put this in here to include, to let y'all know that Dollar Tree does have Mod Podge. Slow down, Karessa. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say. If you did not know, you can get this size, this nice little small size, which lasts me a very long time. 2 fluid ounces in Dollar Tree. And I'm not going to go into detail on these, but I did have a lot of empties in regards to my medicines, a lot of the things that I take to help me daily and stuff. But this is melatonin. This is triple strength melatonin, 3 milligrams from Nature's Bounty. Oh, it was 120 in here. So if you don't know, melatonin is great for helping you relax and things like that. I have very horrible insomnia. These worked okay. You definitely, I prefer to take, like, 3 milligrams is not enough for me, so I take a lot of these. But this was a, you know, it was a pretty decent brand if you just have normal sleeping problems. Nature Bounty and all of their vitamins are really pretty good. The next 3 products are all my Dollar Tree products. You guys, y'all know I go hard for Dollar Tree. And I be trying to tell y'all, like, don't be sleeping on my store. So these are products that I have already repurchased all of them. I actually have like 3 empty bottles of these allergy pills. They come 100. And they're just pretty much knockoff Benadryl, you guys. The ingredients are exactly the same. And they're freaking $1. I take 2 at a time. Yes, I know. Honey. I'm different. Okay. So that's why I run through these so much. But like I said, I have like 3 bottles of empties of these. I cannot go in Dollar Tree and not repurchase them, like especially during the springtime. They're killer. These are Ginkgo Bibla, whoever, you guys. I've talked about these before in a favorites video. I do have these. I have repurchased these. These are they support healthy memory and brain circulation. So I do like these because I do have a forgetful mind, and I feel like those are helping me. When I take them on a regular basis, I do feel like they do help. Then I also have these mucus relief, and you guys, they're pretty much the same thing as Mucinex. They have that same main ingredient, the same milligrams in it, and I really do like these because they help me. Because sometimes during the spring I have to run my humidifier, but that hurts my bronchitis and my chest, so I just need some relief. And my necklace was not even on. Okay, that indicates that this is the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed my empties. Hope this wasn't too long, but I love these videos because they give you a small, short review of various different products that I use. And I would love to know about what products you have used or you may like in this whole empty, so leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. It's been your girl, MissRessaT. Don't forget to thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, follow me on all my social media networks. Until then, see you in the next one. Smooches.